Not all who wander are lost, by J.R.R. Tolkien. You cannot make anybody make you feel inferior, or nobody can without your consent. Eleanor Roosevelt. We need the madman of yesterday, or was standing on the madman of yesterday, for us to have extreme clarity, or can act with extreme clarity. Thomas Sankara. You need a certain amount of madness for you to have social change. Thomas Sankara. I can hear the roar of women in silence. Thomas Sankara. It's a thing, isn't it? That even if he comes from Burkina Faso, that another one has taken his place. You know, he was a believer that there can be no social change without women. And so am I. He was a general, but wanted to save the forests and the animals in the forests. And so am I. Oh, I'm not a general yet. But best believe anybody invades South Africa, I'm picking up an AK. Yeah. In Burkina Faso, there's another region. In the region, Abraham is there. You know? So God gives Africa a son every 50 to 25 years to bring us back to where we should be. And he's an anti-imperialist. To understand what it means to say you are an anti-imperialist, it means that every single thing that France, Germany, and London has done, you will dedicate your life to trying to undo that. Yo, Jesus Christ, where do we start? I'd like to start with the words of Kanyile when he said, knowledge is not money. You know, we were told knowledge is power. But no, we come through an experience whereby knowledge, no money. Livnaro said when I started doing these videos, he thought that I was high. I saw my first one too. I was lacking confidence. But now he says, just keep your head up. If you can just keep your head up, keep it above the water, you will swim. You know?